everyone, it's Rob Heri. If you've been following me here on my personal social media accounts, you probably noticed over the last week or so I've been posting videos about steam cleaning and about the good happening in this world. If you've been wondering why, well, here's your answer. I'm building two different projects here that I believe real big in my heart. RJH and Sons steam cleaning, my family business, where dirt goes to die and your floors come back to life. And the Good Report Project, my mission to highlight the good across the United Streets of America and remind people to live busy being happy. If you've been cheering me on here, thank you so much. Now I'd love for you to jump over to the following pages directly, because that's where all the new stories and videos will go live. It would warm my heart to have your support by following all the pages. Links are in the description. God bless, folks. Peace out, everybody.